I'm Mackenzie. I'm a master esthetician here at RejuvenationMD in Burlington, and today I'm going to be doing a Scarlet on my patient. We're going to start with putting on topical numbing cream, and then she's going to numb for about 45 minutes, and then we'll do the procedure. As you can see, she has beautiful skin already because she's had multiple Scarlets in the past, so this is just her maintenance. So she usually does about 3 a year now for maintenance. So with Scarlet, you're going to be a little bit red afterwards. You might feel a little warm, so there's a little heat to it, but it's definitely tolerable. And so that redness and warmth usually goes down like by the time the person gets home, but sometimes it can last a day. All right, so we're gonna start the Scarlet procedure now. We're starting on her neck and then we'll move on to the face. So Scarlet is going to help lift and tighten her neck as well as the face. We can go all the way onto the eyelids and give you an eyelid lift. And what it is doing is it's using microneedling with radio frequency. And what that microneedling does is it creates little controlled wounds into the skin where your skin basically says, oh, we need to go repair that area. And that's where the collagen comes in, the elastin comes in, everything starts kicking back up like when you were younger. And then the radio frequency is pushed through all the layers of your skin and it provides heat into the skin, which also triggers collagen and elastin production. So you're getting a double whammy essentially with the Scarlet because you're getting the microneedling and the radio frequency. This is going to help also with fine lines, texture, pores, just all over, makes the skin have that healthy glow that everyone wants to have in their skin. So Scarlet has really cool technology. So the needles are actually tapered, and what they do is with the radio frequency, they coagulate your blood. And so that's why you don't see any bleeding with this treatment. She's just gonna have minimal redness. So it's really no downtime besides the first couple hours up to a day of just being a little red. As you can see, her neck is pinking up. Another really nice thing about the Scarlet is that most people will see results right away. Some people, it can take the full 3 to 6 treatments to really notice, but it just gives your skin that healthy glow that I talked about earlier. And then over time, once that collagen and elastin starts kicking up again, then you'll really see that tightening and lifting in the skin, and that can take 6 months to a year to see. So Scarlet is safe for all skin types. So that means lighter skin, darker skin. If you have any type of redness in your skin, pigmentation, this treatment is great for anyone. You still want to make sure you're on a good skincare regimen to help the treatment give you better results, and that way your skin is responding correctly to the treatment. And so that's also really important because you want to have a good skincare regimen to pair with this treatment. That will give you the best results. So with Scarlet here, I typically do about 2 passes. I'll do 1 horizontal, 1 vertical with overlap, so that way we cover all the areas that we need, and so no spot gets left behind. And then, like I said earlier, if there's an area that might need a little extra love, we'll go over that again as well. But again, as long as we're seeing that nice, consistent red across the skin, then we know that it's working and it's doing its job. And it's kind of interesting, but more is not always better because of the technology and how amazing it is. You can really get away with only doing 1 to 2 passes. In some areas where you might need a little bit more lifting, or if you have, deeper wrinkles, we may do more. But typically, as long as you're seeing this like overall red of the skin, that's what the focus is, and that means that you're getting a good treatment. So we get right up underneath the eye here. This is going to help with any of that crepiness you get under the eye, the little fine lines there. And then we'll move up to her upper eyelid, and it's going to help tighten and give a little lift up on the top. And I just adjust the depth because you can't go too deep on the thin part of the eyelid. Scarlet is one of those treatments to get the full benefits. You want to do at least 3 treatments. Typically, we'll have people do a total of 6 to give the best results. So my patient here, she's done 6 treatments already, and now she's on maintenance. And what that looks like is doing 3 a year, but she's spacing them out every 3 months. Whereas when you do your initial corrective treatments, you want to do them every 4 to 6 weeks. Yeah, so Scarlet, you could pretty much do any age really. I'm in my 30s and I've done 6 Scarlets already, and I feel like it's made a huge difference on maintaining my skin and keeping that nice healthy glow that I talked about and the tightening. So really, I mean, realistically, when you get into your 20s is when your collagen starts breaking down. And so that's when you want to start getting on a good skincare routine and then starting treatments like this. All right, well, if you'd like to learn more about Scarlet or get the treatment done yourself, just come on by or call and schedule a consultation.